Tá mí den seo inmh ag óstán Bhenners, áise tá taispeántas don deadal deiseanna ar siúl. Séir atá ann ná deisiúirt don Phobail bualadh le hagóirsí atá ag cur seirbhísí ar láthair sa cheantar. Seirbhísí ar nós oideachas agus tréanáil, fostaíocht, an ghéalainn, sláinte agus eolas. Raimid isteach inis agus gceolmid a heile amach faoi cuidas na hagóirsí seo agus gceolmid tuairimí an Phobail chomh. I'm here now with Joanne Ní Mhuircheartaigh from the Northeast Kerry Development, who helped organise today's event. Now, Joanne, would you just mind telling us why did you decide to have today's event?
Well, we decided to have the event because we want people in the community to know what services are available in the area on the peninsula. I mean, who comes to the area with workshops, with clinics, what courses are on offer. Because very often I think people are always trying to find these things out, and sometimes they don't know where to go to look for the information. So we thought if we could put everything together under one roof and invite the public to come in, they could maybe find out as much information as they wanted.
We have an office here in Dingle. At that office and contacting myself, you can find out about grant aid. There's a fleet safety scheme for fishing equipment and safety equipment for the fishing vessels.
Támann seo inis le óna agus móra ó tobarcha banathe Corca. Inis an féidir duine goibh chuirsí beag a bhfuir dom faoin seirbhísí atá sibh chur fáil inmh.
Well, it's not has named more leis an tógra seo trí bliana hen ethnophosphathic project. Agus dúramar go bhfuilóméis star na tobracha banathe, agus go bhfuilóméis na pictúra greibh semach go dtí na tobracha banathe, agus pictúra a thógant dtí na tobracha.
What we do is we help people with disabilities to try and find employment. Anybody that's on a social welfare payment, on a disability payment, we try and basically help them into paid employment.
Ó dálamíos agus ceapan go radún chéad a Corca go bhfuil an tálas seo fáil agus go bhfuil na leithansa seo oscailte do gachéine.
I'm here in two roles. I'm a tutor at the Phobail School, Corca as a tutor of creative writing, but I'm also interested in community development in its own right.
Mar cnic sibh a bhí faoileach eolas ar fáil istigh. Is féidir tacht ar breis eolas faoi na hagóirsí agus na seirbhísí a chuireann siad a fáil ó Northeast Kerry Development ag 96 a 7 a 42 a 7 a 8 a 8. Sin a bhfuil ún go fóil, slán a goibh.